Kermit the Frog. I just want to say, I love that. Sam Swing.
Hey guys, let's go ahead and use this Casio Scientific Calculator. This is a Casio FX300 ES Plus, but it's in general using most Casio calculators. We're going to find the mean and standard deviation of my kids' ages 1, 3, 5, and 7. We're going to press number 1. Let's turn this on and press mode. On in the top right, and then right next to it we're going to press mode. And the reason why we want it to make sure it says the word stat. It has to say the word stat. So press mode, then number 2, stat. If you want to go back to no stats, you just press number 1, computation. So stat, and then you can just press, it's already on stats now, but you can press number 1 or orange AC clear. And when you do that, you'll see the word stat now on your screen. Now we're going to go to shift 1. Shift is in the top left. And then number 1. You'll notice that it's written in yellow and shift is in yellow there too. And then these are a bunch of things that we want, but right now we just want number 2 data. I should say number 2 data. And then we're just going to put in the numbers into the list. So input the number, and then press enter. So let's go ahead and put in all these numbers, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, once I have all the numbers in, I'm going to do shift 1 again. So that gets me to this stats menu. Shift 1. And now I have a bunch of stuff here. And I want number 4, variable, and I have a bunch of things here. Number 1, n means the size of my list, or count how many numbers I have there, or how many kids I have. And you just press it, then it'll tell you the answer. Press shift 1 again, and it'll bring you back to that menu, and you press number 4, bars. Then you can't see it with the light, but it says X bar, which is the average or the mean. If you press it, you gotta press it, it'll tell us the average. So shift 1, let's do it again, and then bars, number 4, and then number 3 is called the population standard deviation, which is sigma. Press it, it's not gonna show up, you see it? You gotta press equals, or enters there. And there is my population standard deviation. And if you do it again, shift 1, number 4, and you press number 4 here, that gives you SX, which stands for the sample standard deviation. And if you go back to that stat menu, you have a couple of things there and a bunch of other options too. But for right now, that's all I want you guys to know. Number 5, you want to know the sum or of the list, or sum squared. Adding up the list, and then shift 1 again, and then number 5, you also have the min-max. These are called the box plot. 5 number summary here, minimum, maximum, quartile 1, 25%, median, and quartile 3. Median is 50%, quartile 2, and then quartile 3 is 75%, kind of like $0.75.
Mr. Ang, I have a question. Do I have to divide by 0?
No, according to the 10 Commandments of Math, number 9, thou shalt not divide by 0.